Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, November 4th. In the next few days, we will move on to the last step in the fourfold path of forgiveness, which is renewing or releasing our relationship with the person who has hurt us. But first, let's summarize what we have learned about the third step of forgiveness, granting forgiveness. First of all, forgiveness is always a choice. We grow through forgiveness. Forgiving is how we move from victim to hero in our story. We know we're healing when we're able to tell a new story. A story that includes the other person as a human being. A story that includes compassion and empathy for all involved. Forgiveness is possible only when we see our perpetrator as a three-dimensional human being, when we remember our shared humanity. Today we will do a loving-kindness practice to remind ourselves that just like us, our perpetrator or our perpetrators are human beings. They may be deeply flawed, but they are human, just like us. But first, I want to read a poem offered in this book. As always, listen to it with your heart. Listen to what the heart hears. I can draw you as a cipher, so unlike me. I can make you less than human. I can erase your story. Then I will have no work to do and nothing to forgive. But there is this pile of pain waiting for me, and I cannot remove it without facing your story. There is a pile of pain waiting for me, and to clear it away, I must admit our common humanity. So take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, into your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Nice and soft breath, completely natural. Finding a sense of spaciousness in your breathing, so that all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you without struggle, as energy that they are. Now, evoke an emotion that makes you feel good. Love, kindness, joy, gratitude, or all of the above. Allow this to radiate out from inside your heart and into the world around you. This is what it feels like to be free of fear, free of anger, free of hatred and resentment. This place of peace lives within you, always. It belongs to you. You can step into this place whenever you wish. It is yours, and no one can take it from you. Now imagine the person you are trying to forgive as a little baby, your little baby. Before they hurt you, before they hurt anyone else, See how this little baby is good. See its innate humanity, innate goodness. When you imagine your perpetrator like this, can you bless them and wish them well? Can you send them compassion and kindness? Can you finally let them go? If it helps, you can repeat the traditional loving kindness verse here or use your own words. In fact, let's do the traditional verse together one time and then you decide how to proceed. So imagining the perpetrator as a little baby, send the energy of loving kindness to them. May they be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they feel safe, protected, at ease. May they know deep, natural peace. Now I'll give you about a minute in silence to do whatever you decide is appropriate here. Still imagining the person you're trying to forgive as your little baby. Now place your hands on your heart and send yourself gratitude for doing this exercise. I know it's not easy. Send yourself some loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as you let go of your practice, scan your body, notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to contemplate this third step of the forgiveness path, granting forgiveness. Are you ready to truly forgive someone who has hurt you? And if you find that you are still not there yet, please be gentle with yourself. How human of me. Berating yourself won't help. Remember, forgiveness and healing takes however long it takes. And there are as many forgiveness journeys as there are people on this planet. Today, I will also do a post for the stone ritual number 6. As usual, I'll post it both in this public group and also in our Mindful Mornings private circle to create a more in-depth discussion around it, if you're willing, of course. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day. and I will see you tomorrow.